You got happy hour right there. See La La Land. This is the movie called La La Land. See? I'll take you guys in another day inside that La La Land. Right now, I don't have money to go there. I don't know what is this cocoa. I don't think I can cover all this in one video. Maybe I'll do a few videos around here. You guys can watch. Make sure if you wanna watch this kind of videos, you just share with your friends and just give a like if you like it. If not, still like and share. Let them suffer for a change. Yeah, that's the Methodist Houston. See, this place is very nice for people to play around. If you guys have kids, you can bring them here and play. You can play around here. See, it's a nice place to play. Because it's Sunday morning, like there are very few people around here. Because everybody at home now. Because last night is Saturday, so everybody go out, enjoy. You gotta enjoy your life. But to enjoy, you need money here. I don't know who made the money. If you guys know, let me know. It's a beautiful place. I don't know what is that. I think that's it. We'll see you in my next video. Like I said, if you like, share with your friends. I can make more videos. If not, it's hard. To do this, I need to spend my time. So time is most valuable thing. Everybody trying to make money. So I need money too, right? Okay. If you don't like I make money, still share. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.